Hello. It is October the 26th, and it is raining for a change. Got some fall weather for everybody. And it is raining. Just thought I would break up the Halloween stuff for a little bit and show you some rain. This is 96 and this is for southbound US 131 here. Got like a big truck here. It is Wednesday, and I will be watching the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills reunion, but I just figured I would come on and show you some rain stuff here this morning, even though that I just uploaded. Well, I am Carrie Knopf, your host, and I will see everybody next time. Bye.